So in the beginning of the movie we are shown a girl named Sophia. Actually Sophia is a maid who used to work in the house of Eva and her husband Jose. But here Sophia is a very special maid of Eva. That is why wherever she used to go, she used to take Sophia along with her. Actually Sophia was a maid in this house, but still Eva used to consider her as her own sister. Actually since many years Sophia's mother and her father used to work in Eva's house. But then one day suddenly a fire breaks out in Eva's house. And in that fire Eva's mother and Sophia's parents die. But here Eva and Sophia somehow survived. And after this accident Sophia was left alone. Seeing this Eva's father adopted Sophia and from here both of them started living like sisters. But here Sophia's parents were servants. So Sophia also grew up and started doing household chores. And by doing this time started passing. But then one night suddenly Eva's father's health deteriorates. Seeing this both of them become very sad because their father did not have much time now. So before dying she tells Sophia that no matter what happens, you both will not leave each other. Saying this their father dies on the spot. And from that day both of them grew up together from childhood. And both of them were so close to each other that Sophia used to make arrangements for Eva's food and drink as well as her bath. That's why both of them were with each other all the time. But on the other hand Eva's husband Josh does not like this, because sometimes when Eva and Josh are sleeping then Sophia goes to their room and starts doing her work. That's why there were often fights between Eva and Josh regarding Sophia. And then one day when Eva is taking a bath then Sophia comes there and starts bathing Eva. But then Josh is watching all this from outside. Seeing this she feels very bad. And after that Jose gets even more angry with Sophia. That's why he starts scolding Sophia all the time. But despite all this she tries to keep herself calm and keeps doing her work quietly. Now doing this a few days pass. And then one day when she goes to the market to buy groceries, then she meets a boy named Steve. Actually Steve used to sell fish there. So Sophia also always used to buy fish from him because she liked Steve a lot, but till date she could not tell Steve about this. Now she comes back to her house after buying groceries from the market. But then she comes to know that Josh is going to remove her and hire a new maid. Hearing this she feels very bad because she did not want to go away from Eva. And then she also comes to know that some guests are going to come to her house tonight. So she quickly starts cleaning the whole house and cooking food. And after some time, guests also come to their house. But as soon as Sophia sees them, she gets very surprised because their guests are none other than Norman and his wife Jennifer. Some years ago, Norman loved Sophia a lot and Sophia also liked Norman. But in between, Norman left Sophia and married Jennifer. Here, Sophia gets very nervous after seeing them both. And in this hurry, by mistake, the food falls down from her hands. Seeing this, Josh gets very angry at her and he starts scolding Sophia in front of everyone. Now, after some time, Norman and Jennifer also leave from there after having food. And after both of them leave, a fight starts between Josh and Eva. Hearing this, Sophia also feels very bad. So, she quietly goes to her room and starts sleeping. But then Eva also comes there. And she goes to Sophia and lies down quietly. Here, she does not say anything to Sophia, she just keeps looking at her. Seeing this, Sophia also understands that now she should leave from here. So the next morning she takes her luggage and starts leaving from there. But then Josh comes there and stops her and tells her that I do not want to remove you from here. I just want that you do not stay with us all the time. After hearing this, Sophia also agrees. So she comes back again and starts doing her work. And after a few days, one day Sophia goes to meet Norman, where both of them talk a lot. And then there Sophia starts telling him all her things. Hearing which Norman also tells her about himself. And here Sophia was feeling very good talking to him. But then Eva comes there and asks her to come with her. After hearing this, Sophia also goes with her, where both of them go straight to Josh's studio. But then both of them find a child there who was hiding behind the statues made by Josh. Seeing this, Eva goes to him and starts talking to the child. And then the child tells her that I have no one here. Hearing this, Eva feels very bad, so she brings the child home with her. After that she comes home and tries to bathe the child. But the child refuses to bathe and starts running away from there. Seeing this, Sophia comes there. After that she catches the child and starts bathing him. But this time the child starts bathing quietly. After this, Josh calls a doctor and gets the child checked. On which the doctor tells him that the child is absolutely fine, but his body is a bit too flexible. but you people do not need to be afraid because this has been their case since childhood. And then one night they take the child to a fair, where they enjoy a lot. And then after some time they come back to their home, then they find a magician in their house. On seeing him, the child quickly hides somewhere. After that, they take the magician to their house and arrange for food. But then the magician tells them that a few days ago, my friend has died. And he also has a small son named Willie. He had asked me to take good care of him. But that child has been missing for a few days. On hearing this, they understand that the child in their house is Willie. But still they do not tell the magician anything about him. Now a few days pass by doing this. And here Sophia also started taking good care of Willie. That is why Willie also became very close to Sophia. Seeing this, Eva feels very jealous because she did not have any child. And then the scene shifts and we are shown Sophia, where she starts coming to Norman's house every day, because she wanted to come close to Norman again. But on the other hand, Steve also liked Sophia and he also wanted to come close to her. And then one day when Sophia is coming from the market, she sees a police officer outside the house, who is a friend of Jaws. After that all of them go inside and start talking, where the police officer tells them that a bank has been robbed a few days ago. And I suspect that this work has been done by a magician with the help of a small child. That is why I think that the child is in your house. Hearing this, they get very surprised, and the police officer also tells them that now after a few days, some people are going to come to your house to search. Saying this, the police officer leaves from there, and on hearing this, Jaws and Eva do not understand what to do now. So both of them make a plan where they feed a lot of food to both the children and make them fat, so that no one can recognize him. So they start giving a lot of food to Willie. Now after a few days, some police officers come to Joss's house to see that child. Seeing this, Joss also calls Willie there. Seeing him, the police officer is very surprised, because he had become fat and had completely changed. After that the police officer decides to go back from there. Now everything was fine here again. And Willie also started being very happy with those people. And then one day when Willie and Sophia are playing, Sophia's eyes go to Eva and Norman, who were hugging each other. Seeing this, Sophia becomes very sad because she loved Norman a lot. After that she leaves from there and starts going towards the market. But then Steve comes to her and tells her that I love you very much. So if you want, then both of us will get married and go far away from here. Hearing this, Sophia does not understand what to do now, because if she gets married then she will have to leave Eva. But she did not want to leave Eva, so she refuses to marry him. Hearing this, Steve becomes very sad. Now the days start passing like this. And then one day Joss was going to throw a party for all his friends and adopt Willie in front of everyone. Seeing this, all the people present there started praising him, because his father had also adopted Sophia and raised her. But on the other hand, Sophia was very angry after hearing all this, because now she had also slowly started hating both of them. That is why today she decides to tell Joss about Eva and Norman's relationship in front of everyone, because a few years ago Eva had separated them. And then after some time Sophia tells Joss in front of everyone that the Norman whom you call your friend is actually your wife's lover. Both of them take advantage of you not being around and meet each other secretly. And many times I have also seen both of them getting intimate with each other. Hearing this, all the people present there are quite surprised. And saying this, Sophia also quickly runs away from there and comes home. After that she starts packing her things so that she can go somewhere far away from here. But then Eva also comes there, and she angrily tells Sophia that I am going to become a mother. And all this has happened only because of Norman's prayers. That's why I went to him happily and hugged him. And whatever you have told everyone there is all a lie. Whatever you are thinking is nothing like that. Hearing this, Sophia also slowly realizes that she has done a big mistake, because she had told wrong things about Eva in front of everyone without thinking anything. And Eva had never hated her, rather all this was just a thought of hers. That's why she apologizes to Eva. But then suddenly a fire breaks out there, seeing which everyone starts running away from there. And here Sophia also quickly leaves from there with Eva. And then the scene shifts and we are shown at the end of the movie that Eva had forgiven Sophia, and all of them started living happily with each other. Now after some days Sophia marries Steve, and with this the movie also ends here.